Hey everyone, welcome back to Glitch Sip. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your role again in the Forge on Roblox. To do this, there's something very important you need to know. This method works by using a code that is being released today. By the time this video is uploaded, the code will most likely already be active inside the game, so you should be able to use it without any problems. This code gives you 10 free reroll attempts, which means you can reroll your role again and take advantage of those benefits. Now let me show you exactly how to redeem it. First, open the Settings menu. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see a section called Codes. This is where we're going to enter the code. The code is HAIR, and it's very important that you type it in all capital letters. After typing the code, click on Redeem. At the moment I'm recording this, the code is not fully validated yet, which means it may not work right now. However, it should become active later today. So, if you're watching this video and the code didn't work earlier, try again. Chances are that by now the code is already available and working. Once redeemed, you'll receive the reroll resources and you'll be able to change your role again without any issues. And that's pretty much it for this video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Glitch Sip for more of the Forge updates, codes, and Roblox guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.